Large hatchback door requires heavy-duty gas struts and a more complex reinforced structure, whereas the traditional trunk lid is simpler and lighter, offsetting much of the added weight. The hatchback to fastback transformation feels distinct and more upscale. Now for the main event, the entire reason for the C4X's existence, the trunk. Popping it open reveals the big payoff for that extra 24 centimeters of length. The standard C4 hatchback offers a respectable but not class-leading 380 liters of cargo space. This C4X boasts a massive 510 liters. That is a substantial increase, putting it on par with much larger family sedans. It's ideal for families who need to haul luggage for long holiday trips, strollers, shopping bags, or just generally carry a lot of stuff. The sheer volume here is seriously impressive for a car in this class. However, this is where we run into the car's biggest quirk and potential deal-breaker. This is not a hatchback or a liftback, it's a traditional sedan with a conventional trunk lid. That means while you have an enormous amount of horizontal space, the opening itself is relatively small and constrained. The height of the opening is limited. You don't get that wide, tall access that makes hatchbacks so incredibly versatile. So, while you can fit a ton of suitcases, groceries, and duffel bags, you're going to have a very hard time loading bulky items. Forget trying to fit a washing machine or a large piece of flat-pack furniture in here. Things you could conceivably squeeze into a C4 hatchback. Another quirky detail to be aware of is the hinge mechanism. The C4X uses large gooseneck-style hinges that swing down into the cargo area when you close the trunk lid. This is a common cost-saving measure in sedans, but it means you have to be careful how you pack your luggage. If you fill the trunk to the brim, especially near the back, these hinges will press down on your belongings when you try to close it, so the trunk presents a classic trade-off. For day-to-day use and family vacations, the extra 130 liters of space is a huge advantage. Stepping into the back seats of the EC4X, you'll find the interior space largely identical to the regular C4, mostly a good thing. The extra length is all behind the rear axle, so the wheelbase stays the same and so does the legroom. For an average height passenger, about 1.8 m, 5'11", the space is perfectly adequate. My knees have enough clearance from the front seat back. I don't feel cramped. The footwells are roomy. I can slide my feet under the front seats for extra comfort on long trips. Where the C4X really shines is the comfort of the seats themselves.